Okay, hi, this is George from Greece and welcome to my retro database management system capstone project. In this capstone project I plan to model and analyze and hopefully visualize my own mail log, my own mailbox, mbox data. To do this I have already programmed exclusively in Python a database, a command line database management system which I call retro because it's quite old-fashioned and vintage. It just uses some ASCII art easily found in various websites. I'm gonna be quick in this video because you can always pause anytime. So let's start and see what this system does. We can either begin our browsing by pressing E to enter the system or Q to quit. Okay, goodbye. Let's rerun the program and press enter in the command line. Press E to enter. We have the options to build a new database, open an existing one, connect to an external source and load a hard-coded template database. Let's see step by step how it goes. Pressing new, enter database name, my test DB or whatever, database created. We're going to add table, insert data, view report. Now let's press A to add the table. Table name, my songs, 2 columns. A name for the first one will be ID songs. It will be an integer or whatever. The name for the second column will be songs name, and it will be plain text. Table my songs created. Now let's add one more table. My singers, 2 columns, ID singers, the name for the first one, integer, singers, name, text property, table created. Let's press V to view a quick report. So we have 2 tables, my songs, 0 rows, 2 columns, and then my singers, 0 rows, 2 columns. Let's press D to check any data. Choose a table by its corresponding number. Let's choose table 1. We selected table my songs, which unfortunately has no data yet. Press enter to continue. Press B to go back and insert some data and see how it goes. Now I have a report of my existing tables. I choose table 1 and I insert ID 1 and song 1 from Metallica. Yes, I would like to insert some more data. 2 master of that's metalhead here. Okay, no more data, thank you. Let's check the report again. Pressing V to view the report. Oh, okay, so my songs now has 2 rows. And press D, we'll press D to check the data, the actual data. Enter D, I'm choosing table 1. Oh, okay, I selected table my songs and we have 1, 1, 2 master of puppets, right. Okay, let's press B to go back to the main menu, and we have seen everything we were about to see in this screen. Now let's quit and reload the interface. We're entering again, and now let's open the existing database. Okay, let me recall the name we have given to this one. The name was I guess my test DB. Okay, let's type my test DB, pressing enter, successfully opened. View report. Okay, let's go back, add a new table, my bands, 2 ID band, an integer band name will be a text. Okay, created, and we can insert a few data if we would like to. Let's quit and enter the database again. Of course, I could have skipped all these quit steps and access the main menu inside this script. Anyway, probably most certainly this will be the case during the final form of this the final version of this script. We're entering again. Now let's connect to our dataset, to our external file. We're pressing C, enter the source file. Let's say that the source file will be the mbox, any file, any txt file with mail log information properly cleaned. Let's say mbox.txt. Okay, file found. Do we want to create the schema to create the database? Yes, we do. Okay, mbox SQLite created. Do we want to import the data? Yes, we do. Oh, this is a common screen. Let's view a report. What's happening? Okay, so we have the senders table automatically created, the recipients, and the sender date. Let's view some data. Pressing D, choosing senders. Okay. Does it ring any bells? Okay. Enter to continue. Going back. Let's quit. Reload, enter database, and load the template. Template database loaded. Let's view the report. This is a simple hard-coded database in the system consisting of two tables, table courses and table students. This is just for demonstration reasons, but you still can act on this one. Let's go back, add a table, say universities, 2 columns, ID, uni, integer, uni name, text. Let's insert some data. We have the tables, right? Let's choose table number 3, ID 1, Michigan. No more data. Let's view the report. Okay, one row. Let's check the data D3 and Michigan. Enter to continue. Pressing enter to continue. Going back and saying goodbye and see you soon.